So now we're going to review how to add decimals. Now you guys are familiar with this because you do it on your timesheet. So the most important thing about adding decimals is lining up our place values. So here I have 1 24 hundredths plus 44 hundredths. Notice that I've lined up every place value. The hundredths place, tenths place, my decimal points, and my ones place. Now I just add straight down like you would usually do. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Bring down my decimal. 1 plus 0 is 1. Super simple. So the answer is 1 68 hundredths. Now let's talk about subtracting decimals, okay? So I have 52 hundredths minus 19 hundredths. Again, see how I've lined up all my place values. Hundredths place, tenths place, ones place. Okay, I have 2 minus 9. Can't subtract 9 from 2, so I need to make this a 4, and I need to make this a 12. So now, yes, I can absolutely subtract 12 minus 9, and the answer is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring down that decimal, and bring down the 0. The answer should be 33 hundredths, okay? Something wise for you when you're adding or subtracting is checking your answer by doing the opposite operation with your answer and then one of your numbers that you're subtracting. So I'm taking my answer and adding it to 19 hundredths, and I should get 52 hundredths for my answer. So I'm going to put a check here so I know I'm using this to check. 9 plus 3 is 12. Seems like we're on the right track already. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay, bring down the decimal and the 0. Look, matches. That means that we are correct. All right, I want you to check this one out. We're adding these two numbers because I want you to notice that my decimal points are still lined up, okay? That's super important. So I have 44 hundredths and 142 and 1/10. So notice I have a gap here. I can just put a 0, make this 10 hundredths. All right, I have 2 gaps here. I'm just going to fill them with zeros. Those are like placeholders. So now I can just add straight down like I would. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down the decimal. 0 plus 2 is 2. I have 4 and 1. So there's your answer. Okay, the reason that's so important is because if I don't line up my decimals, I would get something like this. Wait, 1. Okay, I would put a 1 here. Well, this is really hard to do while holding my phone. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. There's 8. That is not the same answer, right? 861 thousandths? No. So make sure that you are lining up your decimals.